Kajingrakhe agar public day kabay new puar kabla penlong happy sangma stadium dakop grey was garul district hakabau Metbah lingdo badi lompang ging dobal thawain kajalau lolong kongsan hakate kasngi ban penher ya kalama lairong kalalong ru kabay ipu iping hakabal dan ru kajingya sipai kipulet kajala nang ta kajingpni nam na kitna soka ba per bat kaladan ru kajingsha jingruai na kikna school jong kate ka district habakran hakate kasngi uba Metbah lingdo ulong bakasong suk shngaiñ haki time border kalong ke shngaiñ bat hakikat tu kat ni lala wan penbait no da keyboard punya district
headed by Srimati Ivan Dalin Wahlang, SF-10 Women Police Cadet, FSI.
The second contingent is the Home Guard Pura, headed by Srimati Urupsi A.
Law and order situation along the Assam-Meghalaya interstate border, where there was inequalities resolved by the district administration and the district police, who are regularly in touch with their counterparts in Assam as per the standard operating procedure agreed to by both the states. The state shares an international border of 444.857 kilometers with Bangladesh, out of which fencing has been erected over 319.747 kilometers, and the state government is committed to complete the remaining fencing on the international border at a fast pace to effectively contain influx, trans-border movement and activities of militants and anti-national elements. In the higher education sector, 2 engineering colleges are also in the process of establishment in Ampati and Juwai. Under the funds from Rashtriya Uchatar Shiksha Abhiyan, the state government is setting up 2 new model degree colleges at Rongjeng and Pathakama, for which progress of work stands at 50%. 3 existing colleges are being upgraded to model degree college under the RUSA 2.0, which are Nongtalang College at Nongtalang, Mendi Pathar College and Mendi Pathar, and Snaps Aim College at Maukarwat. I am happy to state that the civil works of the new Meghalaya Legislative Assembly building at Maudiangdiang is making a very good progress and is nearing completion, while the interiors are targeted to be completed by 2021. The state government intends to inaugurate the same by December 2021 and is committed to present the budget 2022 from the new Meghalaya Legislative Assembly building. Before I conclude, I would once again thank all the health and frontline workers who have all contributed to the fight against COVID-19. Despite the pandemic, we have been making strides across various sectors to ensure the overall development of the states. On this day, I would like to appeal to all the citizens of of the state to work together and work harder for the overall development of the state. Let us pledge to really dedicate ourselves to work hard, selflessly, and with utmost sincerity. Let us resolve to preserve and strengthen the unity and integrity of this great country.
Served and coordinated with the teams posted at CCC. COVID Warrior awarded to Srimati Sri Howard K. Marak, Meghalaya, for his outstanding contribution. The award of recognition for Sri Jeevan Jyoti Hatong. We have the award of recognition for